Hello, what is up? So I've kind of gotten into Slipknot in the last little while. I could definitely listen to more, which I will. There's mainly just like one album I've gotten into, so don't call me a poser. I will get into them. Their masks always inspired me with makeup. Just always loved them, and that fact that changed them. Yeah, I was just sitting there like, I really want to buy one of those masks. Where can I get one of those? I want to buy one, but maybe I could just do it myself. So then I started looking up if other people had done like makeup looks of their masks, and nobody had really. I was looking on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram. I saw maybe like one girl do something similar. I didn't really have any process to kind of follow or get inspiration from, just the mask, so I tried to do the best I could. I probably could have used more latex in places, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, it's just a short little video because I used time lapses. I hope I find the maggots who are interested in makeup and maybe want to see this, or you know, lots of people maybe want to wear this on like Halloween or something, or just for fun. Right, well, I hope you enjoy. Like it and subscribe maybe. You don't have to, but if you want to. But you don't have to, but you could. Anyway, sorry, just watch the video. I just started by laying down a small layer of latex and putting the cotton wool to it, and just building on that, and then putting a big layer of latex all over that so that it's as smooth as I can get it. I did have the perfect clown nose for this, but my dog ate it, so I just covered a cotton ball in latex and got it as smooth as I could. I probably should have used white eyeliner for this, just because the black was real hard to paint over. Right, I know it's looking a bit mad right now. Bear with me. I promise it'll be worth it. Don't click out. I'm just marking off the main parts of the mask so it'll be ready to paint. PSA to avert your eyes from that crusty, disgusting foundation bottle that's sitting on my desk. I have no explanation. So I'm just highlighting the points of my face with concealer. Yeah, now the eyebrows they should have looked angry, not that weird surprised look, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. Started going around doing the pentagram with the concealer because it will just make it pop more and seem like it's an actual open wound. And now you're ready to paint. This is the fun part. Have fun with it. Really brings the character to the face. Really starts looking like the mask. So yeah, we're nearly there. I'm filling in the pentagram shape with red and black just to make it a nice deep red. I'm going to be going in with Mehron, however you say it, a blood later on, just to make it really like shiny and make it look like blood. I started stippling on some little bits of blood just to make it look more messy. Yeah, I just cut a slit in the nose and stuck it on with latex, and I'm just adding the blood here to really make it gory. Yeah, and that is it. I really hope this reached the Slipknot fan base. Let me know. Put a little montage in here, 'cause why not? There you go, me being creepy. Thank you for watching if you did watch. Bye!